Trinity historically has really been involved in sustainability. I mean, back since it was moved to its current site. You might say that we were one of the first brownfield projects. Some of you may or may not know that the Trinity site used to be a rock quarry, and in the early 20th century it was a landfill. And when we acquired the site in the 1940s, we began the Trinity campus there at that site, which happened to be actually the fourth site for Trinity University. So, in the 1970s, Trinity was the site of a major solar research facility. Some of you may remember that. We were involved in the federal government program, a grant program at that time. We may even had a master's in solar energy back then. In the 80s, we started recycling programs. In the early part of this century, Trinity became the city's first commercial customer for recycling water. And today we use all of our landscape irrigation is irrigated with recycled water that we purchase from saws. And we're using today we're using recycled water in our new science facility in our toilets and urinals. Probably one of the largest installations of that recycled water use in the city of San Antonio. About 5 years ago, Trinity committed, President Brazil committed to what's called the President's Climate Commitment, which commits the institution to achieving carbon neutrality at some yet to be determined point in the future. We adopted a program that we would build all of our buildings to LEED Silver or better. We currently have 2 LEED Gold buildings, and I'm glad to say that Cleary Zimmermann was part of both of those. And we expect to have 3 more LEED certified buildings within the next 12 months. Right, RVK and Marmamock. So we're looking forward to, within the next year, we will have 5 LEED, hopefully all 5 gold buildings on campus. We adopted a logo, a motto for our efforts at Trinity, Red Bricks Green Campus. Some of you have received a little sticker I gave you that symbolizes the university's commitment to sustainability. We participate annually in what's called Recyclemania, which is a competition amongst colleges and universities throughout the country on the recycling program. We have a very comprehensive recycling program. We do composting and post-consumer waste out of our food dining service and a variety of other things around campus. Similar to my colleague John, this other John here, we work at higher education institutions, and we feel like we have a special role as utilize the campus as a laboratory. Particularly at Trinity, where the students are primarily residential. We have a commitment to collaborative education in the classroom as a campus as a place to work, but also as a place to live. And the faculty, and staff, and students are all work together toward that. So one of the things, as Betty's talked a little bit about, as far as what we look for in our design professionals, is a commitment for sustainability, but also a practical approach to sustainability. We've achieved the LEED Gold buildings, quite frankly, without any solar panels on the roof. We've tried to do, we have no PV on any of these 5 projects. So LEED certification can be done without spending a lot of money on those types of relatively expensive sustainability aspects. So we're proud of where we've been as far as LEED. We're committed to LEED. Commissioning was brought up. Before LEED, we never did commissioning. I am so glad we're doing commissioning now. Again, Cleary Zimmermann's been MEP has been part of that effort on campus, but
it's solved a lot of our problems. So I think that's about it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.